Indians are among the highest number of property owners in London, even ahead of the English themselves. So when the British pound declines by almost 13% vis-a-vis the Indian rupee, it's not only holidays in London which become cheaper, but also buying real estate. Akash Puri from India Sotheby's International Realty joins me on whether the pound meltdown is a real opportunity for Indian buyers. Akash, good to have you with us. So I'm going to start with a number first. 13% of a meltdown is a lot. I remember not so long ago, the pound was almost at 100 rupees. So now it's hovering around 85. That's 15% down from peak and just 13% down from last September. Do you think HNIs in India are likely to see this as a big opportunity to buy real estate?
Yes, Manisha. Whenever there is distress of this sort, there's always an opportunity to buy, whether it be the stock market or be it real estate. I feel that the GBP INR conversion rate is a compelling window and an opportunity for Indians looking to get a foothold in the London real estate market. London is a market that where the demand always outstrips the supply, and this keeps the global gateway city extremely resilient in the face of economic headwinds.
So on the one side, we have the pound, which is cheaper, but we've also seen, entire 2021, the headlines being that prices in London have climbed up. In fact, all of England have climbed up. Almost 8 to 9% is the appreciation we've seen. So what is the real benefit now? If I were to look at, let's say 2019 to now, is property any cheaper, or with the price rise and the pound equation is almost the same today?
Actually, Manisha, the property market just this month has moved up by 0.7% as opposed to the last month. The reason for the increase is because UK is very good at adapting to economic challenges, and they have changed the stamp duty for first-time buyers. So stamp duty now the threshold used to be 300. Now it has been increased to £425,000 for first-time buyers. There will be no stamp duty charged on them, and the value and they can claim this relief, which has risen up to £625,000, which is a good window for people looking to pick up something in London. Keeping that in mind, the demand has also increased by 20%, which has become higher than the pre-pandemic levels. So London is poised quite well, actually, to move ahead.
I know that you've already said it's a resilient global city, and you are going to probably not see so many economic shocks, but it's not as if real estate doesn't go down in London. There have been periods, like for example, after the last global financial crisis, even in central London, property did go down and quite a bit. It's recovered. What do you feel this time? Because now we are looking at high inflation and a lot of economic uncertainty in Britain as a whole, with the change of government there and very, very different economic measures. Do you think that real estate this time will ride it out in London?
There again, you have it all right. The pound is at its low. There are soaring living costs. There have been tax changes. The longest reigning monarchy is not there anymore. But, London is really considered the center of the world. The time is defined in the UK. And it is everyone's favorite destination. It's just, the economy over the years has remained stable. It's like a blue chip investment as opposed to an emerging market, if you would look at it. And over the years, the real estate in UK has usually given upwards of 5% returns. Keeping that in mind, the opportunity for the pound, if it were to rise from here, would be an added benefit to the investment that is made, and the rental yields are also touching their lifetime highs in London. So keeping all this in mind. And what is that?
What is the rental yield one can expect?
In central London, prime central London, where our clients usually buy, anywhere between 3 to 4% is the rental yield.
Akash Puri, thank you very much for giving us all the details and the data of why it is a good window of opportunity for people to buy in London in case they are already in the market. That's it from us. I'm wishing all of you who joined us today a blessed and joyful Navratri and a very happy Dussehra. Thank you.